Hello, how you doing? So as you can see on the menu today, we're going to be making a prawn or shrimp, whatever you call that, curry. We've got tomatoes, garlic, ginger, spices, coconut milk, absolutely wonderful stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 4 cups of cooking shrimps there. They were frozen, you know, they had a kind of that shell on them, they're the ice shell, so they're much bigger. I defrosted them down, rinsed them through with a little bit of cold water. 2 cups tomato, 1 cup onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, about a tablespoon of fresh chili, but of course you can adjust that if you want, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons chili powder, and then 1 of turmeric, coriander and cumin powders. And then here I've got curry leaves. If you can get them, they're absolutely wonderful. If not, try and get them dried. There's nothing actually really like them, so you can't really replace it with anything. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt and a touch of coconut milk. So in this pan we have oil. I've got like 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil. You can use something different. Coconut oil is really nice in this. We're on an above medium heat. I've just put that on, and we're going to drop in the cumin seeds and the fresh curry leaves, and just for a few seconds we're going to throw them around. They'll infuse the oil and give it a fantastic flavour. Then we're going to go with 1 cup of onion, and on this above medium heat we're going to go for about 4 minutes or so. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Okay, the ginger garlic paste, in that goes a tablespoon of that. So that's a 50-50 mix of the two. If you're a regular to the show, you know what I'm about to say. You can make it yourself like we do. We use lots of it here. Or you can buy it in most stores, depending on where you live, of course. To that we're going to add our fresh chili, the amount up to you. Reduce it down, add more, about a tablespoon of chili there. Then 2 cups of tomato, cut nice and small. We're going to add salt and our powders. Let's just take a look again. So I've got 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder, if you're interested, and then 1 teaspoon of turmeric, cumin and coriander. So we're going to go now for about 6 or 7 minutes, stirring fairly often. We want to get a little bit of moisture from those tomatoes, want to cook them down, stir often. We're well on our way. So you can see the tomatoes are breaking down, cooked down nicely, and have let out a little bit of moisture. Next up, we're going to grab the star of the show, which is our shrimps. And again, we're going to stay on this slightly above medium heat, and we're going to go for another 4 to 5 minutes. And these are cooking shrimps. They're very small. They're going to cook quite quickly indeed. They're not big fat ones. Give it a stir every now and then. Beautiful. Now that is looking beautiful. That is looking really good. Now, I said we're going to add some coconut, and here it is. Coconut milk, 1 cup, in that goes. I'm also going to add here some garam masala powder. Garam masala powder is like a little finishing powder. You don't need a lot of it, like a half a teaspoon. If you don't have any of that, grab it from your local store if you can. It's really beautiful stuff. And again, we're going to go for just for about another 3 to 4 minutes, and then this beautiful shrimp or prawn curry is done. Okay, off goes the heat. That is beautiful stuff. Just check the salt level on that. It's good for me. And there you have it. That really is a beautiful, simple, delightful, spicy, tasty shrimp or prawn curry. I hope that you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.